You want to know what the best part about living in California is the fact that one weekend you could be out in the mountains enjoying the snow, and the next weekend it's literally feeling like summer. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In last week's video, I took my Raptor out for its very first snow day. Now, with all that fun means a little bit of consequence. Okay, maybe a bigger consequence, because my Raptor is filthy after that trip to Big Bear. I'm not too concerned about chips or scratches because I have full PPF on my Raptor, but the only thing is, driving through all that snow that melted is all the mud that literally got everywhere. The wheel wells are horrible, and take a look at the front bumper where all the dirt started collecting there. My wheels don't even look black anymore, they literally look gray, and you can see all that mud that was splashing everywhere as I was driving through the mountains. Surprisingly, the bed is probably the cleanest part of my Raptor. So I need to take off the wheels so that way I can do a full detail on it because it desperately needs it. And if it looks like it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, that's because it is. I would have started early on the Raptor, but I was working on another video, which is actually the trailer video. And let me tell you, that is taking me ages to get done. So let me show you a little sneak peek of where I'm at right now with the trailer. I think this trailer is cursed because it's taking me way too long to get this completed, and I've gone through one too many obstacles trying to get that done. So if you want to know about the mods that I'm doing to my trailer, like and subscribe so that way you don't miss that trailer video. And let me tell you, it's gonna come with a story time that you don't want to miss because I think it's cursed. I really do think it's cursed. Anyways, let's get started on removing the wheels to my Raptor. Having a Raptor means I needed to get bigger jack stands. So for the front tires, I need to put the jack right where that arrow is. So I did it on the other side, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. of daylight, so let me try and hurry this up. Each time the marine layer is really heavy the next morning, I always think to myself, oh, what happened to the sun? What did I run over? Also, how am I gonna wash the Raptor and not show you how nice it is? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye!